Let's see. We'll have to do a couple of changes. And there's a full screen, new camera, new setup. I'm already like 10 minutes late, which is fine. What's happening? Why it's showing this thumbnail? 22, we'll be putting it as 23. So this would be 23. 23. And remove this. And I hope the thumbnail gets fixed. This is not the thumbnail we definitely want in our stream. What is happening to the thumbnail? Just give me a second. I'm just setting up some different things. Hey, yo. Pop out. Okay, let's give me 1 sec. First of all, why the OBS screen is here. Podcast. Yes, this is the one which we want to share. Where is the pop-up? Here. What? Which bottle do I see? Wait. Hind. Hey Hind, welcome man. Welcome to the stream. What's the bottle, what you're drinking? Okay, I'll show you the bottle. This is the marigold biscuit I'm eating. Varun, hi. Oh, eating biscuit, yes. Yeah, Hind was busy with some college work, I guess. Guys, today I want to copyright this video. But someone scared me last time. He said like your channel can get some punished. Okay, what the hell? Dinner of Champions. Sam and I was doing one. Oh guys, I'm playing some like copyright music. I'm listening this song a lot today. This has been like on a repeat on my phone. If anyone of you has heard this song, this is called Khali Ghar by this guy, Thugs from Overseas. The lyrics, man, crazy. And the jazzy vibe of this song, I really love it. Yeah, so Sam and I was doing a podcast from last 1.5 hours. And once we finished recording, we figured out like we were doing a remote podcast. He has done a setup on his side. And I have done a setup on my side. And we were just talking for 1.5 hours. We talked a lot of crazy things. And in the end, the podcast is unfinished. It didn't get uploaded and the files got corrupted. So we'll have to do it again. But it was fun. It was fun catching up on those topics. So the next one, talking about the same topics, I think it will be good. I am completed my process for Master Next in Abroad. Wow, nice Varun. So Hind, you asked about the bottle which I'm drinking. I'm drinking this. I don't know if you can read the name. So this is Amul protein shake. I usually drink it in the evening, but today I forgot. So I thought what to drink now while doing this stream. I thought, yeah, let's drink it. But it becomes like a yogurt because I put it in my fridge. So I have to shake it very well to make it drinkable. By the way, today we are working on AI Sidekick tools. Where are tools? Where are tool? AI Sidekick. Proxy UI. Open in cursor. Yeah, okay. PNPM run dev. Wait, yarn. Let's see. I'm Sam. No, we not doing same. We pick different. I'm already pissed off thinking about Mac stuff. Okay, we'll do the next one. But I'm so sad. Like we did so good. This was a really good podcast. There's so many things we discussed. What were you guys discussing in the podcast? We were discussing a lot of topics. So we talked about like iOS event, new iPhone update, new iPhones, all the features, what do we feel about all those? Then we talked about personalization in AI, how it is affecting. We talked about the new Nano Banana and the new models of image and video gen which are coming out, our own workflows of how we use AI in our workflows. So it was really packed with a lot of good content. But yeah, 1.5 hour we talked, we shared, but in the end, podcast is gone. It's sad, but again, fun for that 1.5 hour. I don't know how it went. Like it went like quickly. Varun, I see a lot of tweets on Flipkart. A lot of people are not able to order, and some people got self-cancelled. Yeah, I mean, I think it's a big billion sale is happening. No, this song I don't like. Okay, let's play this one. I hope the audio and everything is fine currently. And do you like the new mic? Or sorry, new camera, or the previous one was better? I don't know. This feels like too bright, and my camera is taking too much light on this. This is a DSLR camera. That's why the blue light is looking so dynamic right now. Not dynamic. It's like spread more because it's more blurred out. What everyone is working on? What are you guys doing? Varun, how is your Go preparation going? Okay, so what we are going to do today is, we'll be building our tool. And Sam, you need to add audio source into OBS. Don't think anyone can hear music. Really? Oh, someone subscribed the channel. This is new. Is the audio not coming, guys? Really? Now? I think now. Now the audio would be coming. Let me know if the audio is good now. I played the whole crazy music earlier. Vardhan Wadwa, do you think building B2C apps as a 20-year-old is a genuine career? That's a very good question, Vardhan. And at the age where you are, this advice would be like very important. So what I would just tell you is, I'll tell you a story of a guy who is a 20-year-old living in Goa. I met him last week, and he has built Shopify apps, and he has a crazy business right now. He has hired 2 devs. He's super smart. He's been coding when he was in class 5th. So he has not done his engineering. I think he's doing open engineering from Bits right now. But he's good at coding. He knows tech. He's hang around in Twitter circles of indie hackers. He's also going on Shopify Con. He's literally 20-year-old. And so for him it worked out. But I also know a lot of people who cannot make it work. So he is like 1 in 100 who made it work. So if you say genuine career, I would not say it's a genuine career. It depends like how much energy and time and learning you are able to do at this age. So nobody can tell you it's a genuine career. If you enjoy it, if you're really super passionate about it, you can make it work. But it's like, again, it's like, can playing in Indian cricket team is a genuine career at 20-year age? I mean, if you are super passionate, you can do that, and getting selected for top 11 squad or even like playing in IPL can make a career. You can make a career in any field if you put time and effort. So if you are saying, should I do engineering or should I just start learning? Say, pick your bets. In doing engineering and going with the route of like a path is easier for most of the people because it's a defined path where the path is defined. You do this, you do this, you do this, and then you get a job. So it's a very defined path. There, the society is structured around that path. So you will not face a lot of issues if you go that path. But if you deviate this through a different path, then definitely you can reach at a better level. But you will not have a path defined for you. So you will have to figure out a lot of things by yourself. On that topic, do read a book called Pathless Path. It's a really good book. Anybody who is trying to either move away from their job or like thinking of doing something different in their life, it was an eye opener for me. I read it like 2 years back. So yeah, that's my recommendation. Guys, midnight focus with social media. Oh, where is my Pomodoro? It's running, right? Yes. What you need? iPhone. Varun, iPhone Air also getting good sale. Lot of people buying it after experiencing it. I mean, it's just for the experience, man. Like I don't like it. Like in terms of like usability, it's one of the worst purchase you can make. There is just one single camera. It will have heating issues. It has like I think mic. There is no speaker as well. There is only one speaker on it. There's less battery. You definitely need a power bank. I don't know why would someone want to buy it. I think they are just buying it because it's so thin. It feels maybe so nice on their hands. But if they day to day they start using it, they'll figure out like, oh shit, what they spent $1,000 on. Yeah, now it's coming. Cool. But on Divyanshu, I complete basics Go. Now I am entering to go deeper concepts like struct, pointer, concurrency. Awesome. That's cool. Vardhan Vadva. I am 20-year-old as well. I work a full-time job as an AI engineer, but I'm super burnt out from 9 to 5. I dropped out of college since I got first job when I was 18. Awesome, Vardhan. It seems like you got that in you. Getting a 20, like a job at 20 is already a good career you have already made. I mean, what I would suggest is either change your job if it's like you're too burnt out. I mean, at 20 getting burnt out is a big deal. At 20 we were like doing 24 hours of hackathons where we were just staying up for 24 48 hours and drinking Red Bulls and not thinking about sleep. Was not like sleep was an afterthought in our life. So but if you say you are burnt out at 20, I can understand it. It can happen if you are really working too much and in a stressful environment sometimes where people are not very cooperative. That can happen. So in that case, either try to change a company or start working on your side project. But if you are already burnt out, don't push too much pressure on yourself on weekends or after work hours, because that will not make things easier for you. And take care of yourself. Start to do something else apart from job, like workout, health, sports, to release that mental pressure a little bit. But yeah, don't take burnout like casually. Right now it will be easier, but in next couple of years it will affect a lot in your career and in your the respect of your life too. In the army, how are you guys getting jobs at 18? Yeah, also do a podcast about telling others how did you get a job at 18. Is there supposed to be music? This sounds like how I would hear sound coming from the village so far. Is it too low? What is happening? Wait. Okay, I get it. My bad. It would be better. Yeah, this camera. Okay, let me just change the camera. I don't like this, to be honest. Just give me a sec. Is it better now? We're back to the basic settings. I like this. I like this view because it's a little bit more wider and it looks good in this setting, to be honest. That is like too much onto my face rather than this one. You out of focus. Shubham, thank you for telling me, guys. Now it will be fine. Let me also tap on myself so that I'm on focus. I will be on focus now. Vardhan, that's why I want to build a B2C app. I mean, Vardhan, do build it, but make sure your health, prioritize your health much more than anything else. And yeah, don't quit your job to build a B2C app at this age. I'm pretty sure. Like, just keep working on the company, start earning money. You do not want to get any financial stress at this age. So keep working while building your side business. Like, make it as a side hobby, like which you build on the side as a side hustle. But that will only happen if you have a easy job. Easy means like not super stressful all the time. So try to shift in the companies and tell your limitations whenever you are working in any company. Wait, music. Just to play one song, I have fucked up my stream already. Let me just see. Where is this song? This is okay. Shubham, yeah, man, best. True. By the way, yesterday we were talking about ADHD. Yes, Shubham, we were talking about you and your ADHD. Shubham selected for next round in hackathon. Shubham is selected for next round in hackathon. Wow. Which hackathon, guys? Vardhan, how long did it take you to touch 1000 MRR? Did you post content organically or you went with paid ads or something? I did try paid ads a little bit. It didn't work that well for me. Mostly ASO. And I've been doing it for more than a year now. It took me more than a year. Yes. And I did not do any organic ads so far. That's one of the things which I want to test next. Create another app on the home screen which will be called as a video generator and add a field in that where user can type a prompt, and once we call an API for that prompt to generate videos, and once the video is generated we show it playing above that prompt input area. Firestorm, they call him OG. What is this? Oh, crazy. This feels like we are doing some crazy stuff here. Yes, yes, this video app. This is craziest thing ever happening here. Yes. Oh man. This video gen app going to be crazy. I'm hyped up. Yeah, Smart India, the AI model for discovering deep sea organisms. Oh, that one, crazy. You were telling it yesterday only. It was a PPT round. I came second. Okay, that's also good. Coming second is not a easy task. There also be a PPT round. You just have to describe your ideas a little bit deeper. What's your churn rate? Is it stable? It's a very bad, man. Churn rate is super bad. So yeah, that is what I am currently working on, to add like more apps in the portfolio, and then I'll be starting work on my auto reels like a little bit more seriously, because I need to revamp the metadata. I'm taking it in a different direction. So yeah, I'm working on the churn. Currently I rely on only like incoming user bases. I know we'll finish the second. The idea is a deep Shubham. Yeah, third is screening. Notebook elements creating videos. Crazy. So we have a video generator app now. So this is my test playground where I test my APIs in a UI and I make sure like everything is shown properly. This looks cool. Can you add another drop down field in the video generator where user can select which model they want to choose to generate the video? We will give options like seed dance, VO3, and one, etc. And also give an option where they can add an image too. I have an idea for ADHD again. N10 for mobile. I mean, is N10 not working already on that? It's building. Why I'm not showing it here? It's building this. Varun, bye. I will come back in 5 minutes. Bye, Varun. See you. Shubham, by the way, I finally finished Google Auth with Firebase and React Native. Oh wow. Congrats. What app are you building? I forgot. It has done it. Let's see. Oh wow, it already added runway 1, VO3 stable video. Crazy. And then there is this upload image option, which is cool. Then we have generate. You can describe a prompt. The video will be generated here. Cool. Vardhan, can you suggest some good ideas to build a mobile app? I mean, something that is not really new but validated in the market. Vardhan, I have made a recent video about it on ASO research. So I would say I would highly suggest watch that. That is the way which I am currently building things, and I've been very open and vocal about it. You can also hang out in these streams where I show how I'm building, and sometimes some things work, sometimes it doesn't. So there is no like a proper recipe which anyone can tell. So it's just a game of experiments. The more experiments you do, something will click at some point. So these are like my mini experiments which I'm trying. But ASO gives you the direction that okay, this is a nice kind of experiment because there is a popularity and difficulty. People are searching of this problem already. Shubham, by the way, to fulfill my ADHD, can you play the GOAT EST song of all time? What is GOAT EST? GOAT EST. Is it Diljit Dosanjh song? I don't know, man. Hindi songs I don't want to play because T series copyrights and all. Okay, I'll play my favorite Kura Shuffle. So these are easy to code. Other songs with lyrics and all, they are not easy to code for me. Like I generally listen songs while coding which are with the no lyrics, just music. So it puts me always on like a mood rather than on focusing on lyrics. Spirited Away always been. Oh, that's thank you. That's also I was searching for. Yes, this is the one I was searching. Thank you, Shubham, for telling me this. Yeah, this is exactly the song I was searching for. How do you actually market your app, brother? Vardhan, I do ASO only. I do not market my apps. Like I'm not currently marketing my apps as like externally. I do not spend much energy on that. I want to. It's not like I'm really bad at it. So I rely mostly on ASO, App Store Optimization. Now, if you give an image which we need to upload, how does it work? Because we'll have to upload this image somewhere before we can pass that link to our server. That's what I'm thinking. But we can forget about image for now. We can focus on video models and describe prompt. Shubham, greatest of all time song, man, not literally goats. Yes. Oh, okay. Okay, I thought you want that Diljit Dosanjh goat song. Yes, Spirited Away is our song. Thank you. I've always wanted to play this. It's our traditional folk music at this point. Yes, Shivam. You can ask me to play this song anytime, whenever I'm ready to fuck up my streams. Like our coming generation will sing this. Okay, now let me add the AI sidekick cloud. I'll have to add this. Where is the no? Where is the proxy? AI sidekick proxy. Yes, proxy is here. So I'll be creating for seed dance. We can have image URL, image duration between 5 and 10 seconds, string and all image we can pass, but there is no prompt which user can send, right? So I think it makes more sense if I can have where we pass the model name directly from the client side. We can say video gen directly. Yes, new file. It will be videogen.yaml. Okay, I'll tell. Okay, so this is a video gen YAML workflow where user will be passing. Wait, no. So why we cannot have a single workflow? Because then each video will be of the same pricing. We don't want it. We want each model to have its own different pricing, because some of them are cheaper, some of them are expensive. Then our workflows will increase. Or what we can do is we make the pricing dynamic. Right now in our project, how the tokens calculation happen is we create a workflow file, and on the top only we have this credits which we define for each workflow. Is it possible that we can have steps in a workflow and each step should have its own credits? So for example, if one step is running, we credit something from that, another some credit from that. But yeah, that will be no, I don't want it, because what happens is when the job is created, the debiting happens on a top level, and then it passes the job. So if we make it step by step, then there will be like multiple debits happening for whichever step is running, which can make it super complicated. I definitely do not want to do that. Okay, so the next thing which we have to do is we definitely need to create more workflows. There's no other way. Okay, there's no other way. Let me check what are the video models here. Explore video models. So we'll use Seedance Pro, we'll use VO3 Fast, we'll use Hello 2, what? Hello 2. Then we'll use Pixverse. Kling is really good. 1.6 standard. Then there is Seedance 1 Lite. Oh, there is 1 Pro and 1 Lite. Okay. Then there is Ruma Ray. Then there is Pixverse V5. But Pixverse already has 4.5. Then V5. Okay. V4, Google View 3. Ray Flash is not that good. Kling we already have. 1. We can keep adding the best models, but I think 4 models is good. These are really top models. What is the pricing for this one? It's 0.03 per second of the output, so 33 seconds for $1. Super expensive. By the way, make a good UI like Kling. This is just a demo. This is not, I'm not spending time on UI and all. This is just a demo for my API. So once the APIs are ready, everything like the flow is working, then we can move on to the app, like mobile app workflow, so that we have all the data points, we have all the types which we need in our system. API is done, API is testable. So this is what I'm currently working on, and most probably this will be completed by tomorrow. So from day after tomorrow we can start working on the app. And app is nothing, like I just have to just make a one day, I'll plug it everything, because most of the core logic is already done in our Retrofix app. Sorry, Pixfix app. Shivam, man, you said something which I didn't understand, but cool. What did I say? I'm just blabbering, I'm just talking to myself. Ignore it. Oh, VO3 fast is like $1 per output video, which is pretty expensive to be honest. Pretty expensive. Pixwords is 0.01 per unit or 100 units for $1. What is this fucking unit? What does unit means? 5 second is 30 units. So tell the name, man. It's 30 cents per 5 seconds, which is decent. Then cling is 5 cents or 20 second per second, 5 cents. So 25 cents. This is also cool. Cheapest is this one, 0.018. 55 seconds for, so 11 videos for $1. This is the cheapest model. And then Ray Luma is, oh fuck. This is also nice, 45 cents per video output. Per video means like 5 second only. Hailu is 10 per output video. Resolution is 512. Yeah, I'm giving 512 resolution only for my app. The lowest resolution for version 1. Shubham, something about credit system and then you cancel the idea because some file and something. Okay. Yeah, that's like how I've architected the whole workflow mechanism, the debit credit system for the credits which user has to pay on my main server. I'm thinking about it. I do not want to make it super complex. So what I will call these files as, okay, so now I know the names. I can just plug and add it. So we will call them video and let's say video seed dance.yaml. Video seed dance. Then there will be Israr. Hello Israr. How are you? Are you back from your Dharamshala trip or are you planning to go there? I'm sorry, I forgot when was your trip date. Video Helu. Oh shit. So this can be here. The one is Helu, another is what? Ray. Video Luma Ray. Video Luma Ray .yaml. Then there is seed dance, which we have already done. Then there is what? Cling. Video cling.yaml. Israr Khan going tomorrow. Oh wow, awesome. All the best. Have a happy journey. Israr is busy watching all the reels. Israr has a great collection. Video one is Cling and then there is Pixverse. Video Pixverse. Video pixverse.yaml. Then there is VO3 fast. Video VO3 fast. Shit. Rename it to YAML.yaml. VO3 fast YAML. And then there is Seed Dance 1 Pro. Seed Dance we already have. Okay. I think these are good enough models. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 models. So our app will give you 6 different models to play with. Cool, right? Cool, cool, cool. Divyanshu increased your camera overlay with the rounded corners, exposing cam a bit. What is happening? What did you say? Increased your camera overlay width. Camera overlay. Oh, you mean that small dot which is showing? Are you really sure? Is it better now? I like your OCD. Is it better now? Is this what you're saying? If I understood correctly? The corner OCD problem? Or is there anything else you mean? Yes, now corner gone. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Let's work on the seed dance because we already have. Can you add the workflow here for the seed dance API? The thing is we can pass all the properties which I'm pasting here as a prop on this API. And depending on that, the prompt can also be passed from the API. If prompt is not passed, then we can use the default prompt. Shubham. Okay, now I go bye. Bye, Shubham. I'm also leaving like in 15 minutes or maybe early. So I'm like a bit tired today because I did 1.5 hours of podcast just before this meet. So I've been sitting in this chair from 7 p.m. today. 7 p.m. to 10:30. This is like 3 hours of work, which I enjoy, to be honest. The podcast was fun. Even this is fun. Talking and just doing small tasks. Like it feels like making progress, making a small progress every day. Feels so good, to be honest. Shubham, I have 2 sorting algorithms in return for an assignment. Okay, all the best, Shubham. Aryan, yo, here I am. Hi, Aryan. Thank you for commenting on my latest video as well. I saw your comment. I'll revert back to it. So I think my latest videos are not working in a way, like they're not even crossing 1,000 views, which is a little bit disappointing. Maybe the type of content I'm now making is not super relevant to what the algorithm has been trained to. I'm thinking maybe should I make more content around AI then? Like AI workflows, 5 tips of AI, things like that. Divyanshu, is GeoWorks fine in Dharamshala? I use Airtel, so it was working really good for me on most of the places. But I also have a Geo SIM, like I have dual SIM. I did not use Geo much, so yeah, can't say. But I was able to see there were no signal drops, and Dharamshala in general like is pretty popular. So most of the places signals are pretty good, unless you're going on some tracks or some remote locations. But yeah, do go to Indrunag near this cafe, Muse Arts Cafe. I would love to know your experience on that place. If possible, meet the owner. He plays tabla and harmonium at evening time. It's crazy. Hind, yeah, you must try that. Yeah, man. Like I think I'll need to change my content strategy a bit. I was thinking of making content which I'm mostly working with, like for example ASO apps. This is what I'm currently working on, and it makes it easier to talk about this kind of stuff because that is what I'm currently doing. But yeah, it is not ranking or it is not reaching to the wider audience, or maybe like the kind of audience I have created, this is not super relevant for them. So yeah, I'm thinking I will try to change the strategy. So this week video, what I'm planning is, first of all, I'm like The next video which I'm making is around like startup life or how I'm building indie hacking, how I'm doing things. More of like lifestyle video. Let's see if it picks up. And after that, I'm mostly be talking a little bit more on AI stuff. But I thought AI stuff is like too saturated, so that's why I stopped talking about it more. Sam, you need to mix AI plus latest event tech trend. That's true. Thanks. Yeah, I will definitely be making more on AI and yeah, tech events. Yeah, maybe giving my like I generally think like if for example like iOS event, I saw it. But you're right. I can talk about how Ray-Ban Meta glasses app store will be the next big thing or something like that, because I have a lot of opinions on that, how it's gonna change and how they will also have an app store. So I can talk about how we can prepare, what kind of apps we can make around it. Makes sense. Israr, I'm so done with AI, man. I'm fed up. I don't want to see more AI. This is what me and Sam were talking about in our podcast. This is called like AI fatigue has set in everywhere. Like everyone is so tired with the word AI in itself. I'm Sam. AI coding iPhone 17 Pro. Yeah, this will get the most views. Israr, yes sir, it's on my list. I'm definitely going Muse Art Cafe. Yeah, let me know how it goes. I also followed this guy on Instagram. He posts some very interesting videos. I'm Sam. I made my iPhone 15 Pro video with my 14 Pro lol. Pata bhi nahi chala was my biggest video. Wow. Yeah, maybe I should try some like different kind of strategies. The thing is I really am interested in making story driven videos like the one which I made about like bug hunt, which got like 16-20,000 views, something like that. I got a lot of subscribers from that video, but that took a lot of time to just think about that idea, execute the idea, then publish it, then making thumbnail. That was so like it was almost a 2 weeks process. And I think right now like should I give 2-3 weeks to just a single video? But yeah, it did work, to be honest. Also, like the recently I made about Flutter and React Native, that got like almost 30,000 views, 25-26,000, which was also one of the biggest video in my channel. So yeah, I'm thinking to just try some new things. Israr, normie calls anything an AI. Anything that they can't understand is That's true. That's true. Kishle, do you have any idea about Vercel edge runtime timeout duration like serverless API on production? I want to implement in just using free tier. What is this? Like timeout duration with serverless? Like you want to increase? I think the default time is 3 minutes, but you can extend it to 15 minutes, which is like, and then there is a like that's the maximum time. No server will like cloud functions will never run more than 15 minutes because technically Vercel is also using AWS Lambda on the backend. Sam, Gawk style video. We need Shivanshu. Yeah, Shivanshu will make like one video in 1 year for me, and then he will be like, "I'm out. I'm quitting the whole film domain." You made a one video a month, which is a bit extra creative work, and rest 2-3 normal fast deliverable style. Yeah, I think like if I quit tech forever and just focus on video, then I can do that. Like I can just focus, do a proper production of one video for a whole month and maybe publishing 2-3 smaller video around it. But with this work which takes almost 3-4 hours a day, I feel like it's not too much time, if I'm being very honest with it. I have like, I give myself 3-4 hours a week to make a video. which is very less time. So that's why my videos are mostly like talking and adding b-rolls, and I take help on editing as well. आर्यन कोड्स ब्रो, मैंने अभी एक वीडियो का लिंक दिया आपको कि ऐसे वीडियो बनाना, बट नो वन कैन सी द मैसेज. हाँ आर्यन, आई थिंक यू कांट पेस्ट लिंक्स हियर. What you can do is remove https from that or www dot and paste it as a text. I will add those things. So, or maybe just give me the ID of that video. I will open it here. So for example, if you go to youtube.com, you can see, like for example, this one, right? Just give me this ID, this ID. So I will just replace it. Hey Blinken, how are you, man? Star, the perfectionist is DHD. Brain won't let him push more videos if he's not satisfied. Bro, you're talking to Sam. Sam is like the top perfectionist. Sam is a crazy perfectionist. I'm not that perfectionist. I push whatever, like it's okay. Varun, or just share in Discord. Yeah, that's also a point. Just share the ID. It's a single video. Okay, so now we need to, then we can use the default prompt. But do we need to use default prompt? I'm thinking. See dance, I need to give the LLM copy of this page here. Also take inspiration from @seed dance video generator. AI 2027 का research paper पढ़ा. What is there? Are it codes in that research paper? I haven't read it. Expo now supporting Glass UI. Did you test it? Not yet, but yeah, I saw that someone tweeted they were using Glass UI on the phone. It was like on the next week of this Glass UI release only. Someone just ported a native bridge between that, a native component they have created. But that's like very easy. If you just upgrade your system and use the latest native UI, it will show up. That's why React Native has its box on these things. Blinken, I'm good. Just finished with work for the day and getting ready to continue testing my app. I'm so far behind. Cool, Blinken. I wish you a very productive day today. Israr, one feature I instantly update to Tahoe is clipboard ban. Coming from Windows, I have been really missing that, but it's still not as smooth as Windows clipboard. Oh, you guys are on Tahoe? I won't be in Tahoe until next 1 year. That's what I'm saying to myself. Iron Codes. Prediction of future AI. Open brain, agent brain. Nice. Okay, Aryan Code is giving this video. Let's see what it is. We are not ready for super intelligence. 34 minutes. Cool. Thank you, Aryan. I'll look into this video after this, maybe tomorrow. After this, I'm going to sleep. I'm going to meditate and then I'm going to sleep. Abhinav, yo, hey Abhinav, when is your train? I think it's on 28th or something, right? 26th or 28th? This is peak. Nice. Thank you guys. Thank you for sharing. I have to stop wanting to play video games instead. Even I'm thinking to start playing video game, Blinken. I'm like, I have stopped playing this Red Dead Redemption, which I was playing 3 months back. I haven't touched. Like my Steam Deck is lying there. I'm thinking to play it, but I'm thinking what time would be best for me. If I play after this stream, it will be too much, brain consumption or like excitement that it will affect my sleep. If I play in the morning or in the daytime, that will affect my work. If I play in the evening, where I'm like mostly not in home, I try to go outside. Yeah, I'm just finding where what is the best time to play a game. Maybe on Sundays I can play. Israr, yes, personally didn't like it as much as I did 16, but clipboard pull me. Is clipboard such a big deal? For me, it is not. Like for me, my clipboard is my sublime. I just keep pasting things here. Sam, by the way, have you checked open code? A lot of indie devs have suggested and picked up this. What is open code? I don't even know what is open code. Open code. Oh, I did check it. Maybe someone told me in the chats itself. Native terminal UI, responsive native time UI, lab themeable terminal UI. Okay, 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 okay. Oh, it's like, got it. So it's like Claude code basically. Use any model. It's like, okay, it's like Goose. Oh. What are the curated list of models they are giving? Varun, when developers realize React Native is actually a native. Yes. The UI which you see in your native app in React Native is really native. The thing is the logic layer, the API layer, that all runs on JavaScript, so it feels a little bit sluggish on some devices. That's the only downside. Abhinav, 4 a.m. is time. I wake up tomorrow. Excited. Awesome. 4 a.m. tomorrow. It's already late, man. Go sleep, Abhinav. ETH Global Daily and a hacker house. Amazing. Do post pictures, man. I follow on you on Twitter, so I will be looking at it. Aryan, okay, goodbye. Bye, Aryan. Thank you for dropping by. सालों बाद मिलते हैं. Blinken, I have a problem with playing games instead of coding and making excuse for not coding today. Yeah, I would love to have that problem too. I'm like too much into productivity, building, creating. I want to just have a chill time sometimes. I do have chill time like when I go to the beach, but I like love to connect with nature. I don't know if I would love to play games, but I like the excitement when the game is really good, when it gets you. It feels really nice. Yep, like Goose. Okay, Sam, nice, nice, nice. So I'm using Goose already. I'm also using Claude Code. I'll see if this fits into something which makes me install it. I'll see why people are using it much better than Goose. Varun, tomorrow my pixel is coming. Wow. Abhinav, I'll go to sleep now. Good night. I'll post pictures on X. See ya, Dev. Nice, Abhinav. All the best, man. Enjoy the trip and yeah, enjoy. Have fun. It has created a video seed dance light. No. Why did you create a video seed dance light? Seed dance is already here. Use this to not add a seed dance. So I have created the workflow. So should I show my workflow? I don't think it's a big deal. I can show my workflow. So this is a workflow file where I can define what I want to do with my models. So this is the whole backend which is working. And then there are some steps. For example, like generate video is one step. But in this seed dance model, there's only one step, which is just generate video. And then we can pass some inputs which user has given. So here is the whole required fields. This is like if anyone has worked with GitHub Actions, this is the same workflow which happens there. And there are some top level configs, like how many tokens this takes, how many rate limits I can set here. Do I need to notify? And even if I want to notify, I have to pass a webhook URL, all of that. So basically this is done. The seed dance model is done. What now I have to do is, if I publish it on my server, this will create an endpoint for me, API endpoint, which I can use on my client side here. And I request it and it will trigger this workflow. So this is what AI Sidekick is, which I was talking about. Like, this is something which I want to release for other people to use as well. Varun, I ordered 9 and 10 for me and brother. Nice, nice, nice. Enjoy the new Android universe now. Varun, bye guys and good night. Good night. Bye bye. I'm also leaving, guys. Thank you so much for joining today. Israr, none of my friends have good camera phone, man. I was thinking to get new phone, but that's next month. Oops. Yeah, without a good camera. But I think you can still use like take good still shots. Video are a problem with good camera. Still shots can be edited later on. I think any Android phone these days is really good at photos. Hint, so much crazy things happening in our bros lives. Israr and Abhinav traveling. Varun's getting his new phone tomorrow. Shubham, rank 2, happy for everything. Hey, amazing. Yeah man, all good vibes. Good night guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much for joining in, and yeah, we'll keep adding these small programs.